Most people treat Sunday like a crash landing. They sleep in, scroll for hours, eat whatever's nearby, and call it recovery. And then Monday hits them like a wall. This is not that. This is a protocol. Built on purpose. Tested. And it works. Welcome to the Sunday Recovery Protocol. The idea is simple. Active recovery, not collapse. Structure without rigidity. Rest without losing momentum. Because here's the truth. How you spend Sunday is how you start Monday. And Monday sets the tone for your entire week. So we protect it. You wake up naturally. No alarm if you can help it, but you're not sleeping past 8:30. First thing, water. Electrolytes. Your body has been running on empty for 8 hours. Hydrate before you do anything else. Then you get outside. 15, 20 minutes. Slow walk. No headphones. Just sunlight and breathing. This isn't exercise. This is your nervous system waking up the right way. When you get back, pick one. Light mobility or foam rolling. 10 to 15 minutes. Not both. You're not training today. Then eat. High protein. Something you actually enjoy. Slow pace. No rush. The morning isn't about pushing. It's about coming back online. Now we handle the mind. 8 to 10 minutes of meditation. Body scan. Open awareness. Not trying to achieve anything, just reconnecting with how you actually feel. Then you journal. 10 minutes. 3 questions only. What drained me this week? What actually went well? And most importantly, what's one thing I'm genuinely looking forward to this week? That last one is your motivation primer. Don't skip it. Screens stay off during this block. After that, you're free. You don't need an hour of meditation. You need clarity. And 10 focused minutes delivers that. Lunch. Whole foods. High protein. Eat it slowly. Then unstructured time. 60 to 90 minutes. But with one rule, pick a mode and commit to it. A nap. A show. Reading. Gaming. Doing absolutely nothing. The reason you pick one is simple. Without a choice, you drift. 3 hours of mindless scrolling masquerades as rest but isn't. Real rest is intentional. Back to the body. 10 to 15 minutes. Foam rolling or mobility, not both. Then, do something that feels chosen, not obligated. A walk with someone you care about. A creative project. A hobby you've been neglecting. Gaming. Content creation. Whatever it is, it has to feel like yours. Because here's what most people miss about motivation. Flat energy isn't always physical fatigue. Sometimes it's a deficit of things that feel genuinely chosen. Sunday is where you fill that back up. Dinner. Satisfying, not heavy. And skip the alcohol tonight. It fragments your sleep and you'll feel it Monday morning. Around 8 p.m., take 5 to 10 minutes and glance at the week ahead. Not planning, not a task list, just enough to know what's coming so Monday doesn't blindside you. Then close it. Lights start dimming at 7. A short stretch or foam roll. Optional 5-minute meditation. Screens off 30 minutes before bed. Lights out by 9, 30 to 10. Because everything we've built today, the walk, the journal, the movement, the rest, it all feeds into this moment. Sleep is the actual recovery mechanism. Sunday night sleep is the most important sleep of your week. Protect it. Hard training, a quick gym session, long work sessions, email, alcohol, sleeping past 8, 30, defaulting to the scroll. These aren't suggestions. These are the things that quietly destroy your Monday momentum, one compromise at a time. At the end of Sunday night, rate yourself on 2 numbers. Body, how recovered do I feel? Mind, how motivated am I for the week ahead? 1 to 10. Track it every week, because over time, you'll see exactly what works. You'll see the pattern and you'll build on it. This isn't a perfect protocol. It's a starting point, but it's built around one truth. How you recover determines how you perform. So recover with intention. See you Monday. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and like the video for the next protocol.